Good day. So today we do the rice bhakri or Tandalachi Bhakri, the special Mangalorean bhakri, normally eaten with some lovely spicy pork. Okay, so this is 1 cup of just plain rice. All right, the rest of the ingredients. So make sure your rice has got enough sufficient salt in there, and you need to make it into a nice little paste. Okay, nice paste. You can add boiled rice to it, doesn't matter. Okay, boiled rice, you can mix white rice, boiled rice together, doesn't matter, right? And this is normal rice, it's not basmati, it's normal rice we use for cooking, right? So I will also need some rice flour and then some desiccated coconut. All right, and let's mix all this together. The proportion is very simple. As you mix it together, you find that the consistency is okay and fine, and you can add water, you can increase the flour or add some more cooked rice to get that consistency, to make it into a nice kind of a round non kind of sticky chapati, and add just enough desiccated coconut. All right, so normally in the past the old leftover rice was made into this beautiful paste. You add some water, some salt, and then it has to cool down, and then you add some rice flour, and okay, you can mix it together. You also need to add a bit of desiccated coconut or shredded coconut. Okay, yeah, you can add fresh coconut too, but I do not have fresh coconut. All right, just as much, not too much. So now I have taken a portion of it and made it into a nice little ball. Okay, here's the ball. So let me do a couple of them. So here you can see they're all lined up together. Okay, it's very easy, just collect them together and then make them into a ball. All right, so you can see I got around 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 balls, and now I will turn them into a nice little pancake kind of round size. Okay, so you see I've just now flattened it and turned it into a nice round shape. Okay, it can be that thick, but this is that thick. All right, slowly I will drop it into the pan. Okay, and give it a light fry, just maybe 1.5 minutes on one side and 1.5 minutes on the other side. So once the round shape is achieved, you remember you need to add some oil on top, and then try to tap it down and try to make your round circle as small as possible, as just as big as the hand. Okay, not that big. Okay, it's going to break, so keep it as small as possible. All right, you can add a bit of oil around. Okay, but make sure you keep the bhakri on the pan for quite a long time to try and get the brown lines there. That the brownish lines gives you the taste and flavor, and you will see you will get the crunchiness of the coconut as you bite through it. Okay, so make sure this is as the should be small round. Okay, not that big, and try to get the fingerprints here. Okay, you can use a bit of oil at the bottom, and also you can use oil on the other side. Okay, here you see, see, that's how we should get this sorted, right? Perfect. Okay, voila, there you go. Traditional Mangalore Tandalachi Bhakri is getting ready. Okay, let's see what's happening here, right? Voila, you need to turn it around. Okay, there you go. Okay, make sure you roast it well. Okay, you will definitely remember your old days. You will surely remember your old days, okay? So, there you go, one by one. Beautiful, eh? Beautiful Tandalachi Bhakri is almost ready, and I will now start serving, alright? Remember, you can use a banana leaf while frying this beautiful Tandalachi Bhakri, okay? This is all, traditional way of frying it. Those days there weren't any non-stick pans, I would say. And you can use fresh coconut for this, okay? You just use grated fresh coconut. And also you can use boiled rice, okay? Boiled rice or the brown Kerala rice, which will make it more sticky and nice, so that you will not get all this cracking, okay? So these are the few tips. I hope you enjoyed this video, and tune in to Alan's Multi-Cube channel, right? Thank you and enjoy your day. The beautiful Tandalachi Bhakri is ready and served with some lovely brinjal. And spicy brinjal with this lovely Tandalachi Bhakri is going to be my dish for today. I'm definitely going to use my hands now and dig in there. Cheers guys, enjoy.